How to remove virus from your Windows device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Task Manager. Simply go to Start menu and search for Task Manager. Go to Process and simply end the process which you suspect of having virus. After that, open Command Prompt. Then after, you need to run certain codes. Firstly, attrib shrst star. Then after, you will see system volume information. At the end, write DRI. And then after, the scanning will occur and the virus will be removed. The third method is to open Run application, go to msconfig, and here at the top choose the option of boot from the menu, and in the left hand side you see the option of Safe Boot. Simply click on it. Click on apply and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.